So to excel in this arena, this trading arena, no matter what instrument, what marketplace you are trading, if you want to be successful, then you need to keep in mind that you have to choose good trades, good setup trades. And how, I will let you know. Okay, but you need to choose, you need to trade good setups. You have to avoid weak, or we can say worse setups. Then you need to increase your size, your position size, when you are in a good position, when you are trading good, only when you are trading good and in good setups, right? You have to increase your stake size only. Until then, you need to wait, you need to sustain in the market. The most important thing in stock market, in financial market, forex, crypto, any market, the more you stay in the game, the more you win the game. That's the thing I believe in. If you believe that you are a successful day trader, then, and if you are not there, please try to protect yourself here first. That's your first task. And what I told you just now is the activity you can do. You can ponder upon that how to sustain here, like taking only good trades, avoiding worse trades, and increasing your size only when you are in good trade and you are taking right setups trades. Okay, reading price action is very important and useful thing to build your confidence in trading. How? Let's understand this. Have you seen double tops, double bottoms, and any patterns you remember? Okay. So if you know them by names, then definitely you're gonna trade it. You have maybe you have some confidence or faith in these patterns, but once you understand specific price action, what is happening there, how buyers and sellers are taking positions, how they are thinking, then you will get the confidence. Okay, trading that pattern is another thing, and having confidence is another thing. Knowing what is happening is another thing. Okay, so if you know what is happening, you get confidence to trade, to execute, to take risk. Okay, so let's say you are seeing a chart. Okay, you're witnessing a chart where a double top is happening, or let's say double bottom is occurring. Your simple mindset will say there is a double bottom, you need to buy. Okay, if you know it by a pattern. But if you know about the price action, what you will do? You will apply logic. You will try to understand actually what is happening there, buyers and seller activity. Then, if you are convinced enough that yes, there are buyers more aggressive than sellers at that particular point, then you are definitely gonna take that trade, right? And if you are reading it rightly, if situation changes and now buyers are not that much interested, or maybe sellers are overly interested, then the situation might change. And if you do not reverse your position, or if you do not exit your long positions, then it is eminent that your stop loss will be hit, or you may incur a loss. Comment if I'm wrong. Okay, but if you are reading it correctly, and first of all, don't think like that if you know price action, you will never incur a loss. That's a myth. That's a perfect myth. Even you are expert, even you are 100%, you have read all about technicals, price actions, smart money concepts, ICT, etc. Everything, anything I am saying, you will be wrong. Probably you will be wrong more than 40%, 50%. Some traders are 70 to 80% wrong, but still they are making good amount of money. How? You will get to know. But this is the thing. If you know what is happening there, you will take a trade. But if you are watching it only with the perspective of a pattern name like double bottom, double top, then you will be stuck in that position until you incur your loss. And even some people get stuck and they hold their trades in the hope that the position will reverse. That's not the case. So another quality or skill, or we can say point I discussed here, is you need to be ready. Your mindset, your preparedness should be ready towards changing your instant position. Okay, if you are long and if you see any flaws in your logic, you need to exit that position right after your trade and take new position. That's the skill set, that's the mindset, that's iron mindset you need to develop. I know that many of you do not have this. That's why you are watching this video. That's why you are making losses and you are not profitable, right? So you need to develop this. I know you're not born with it. Okay, no one is born with it. You need to develop this. Why price action is important? Why I am forcing you to understand what is happening at the live market environment? Because all market professionals, all professional traders out there with big funds is watching you, is watching what is happening in the market in a live session. Okay, and they know what I am telling you. That's the price action. I'm not telling you here about any indicators, any system, any mystic system that will provide you some 80 to 90% success ratio or whatever you say. Not mythical indicators, right? Or any system. What I am delivering here is about exact happening. You can understand this by this point. You are going to a normal general market. You are watching a person selling melons, right? And you are standing there and you are watching it with your naked eye that someone is coming to his shop and he's asking for melons. Then the shopkeeper telling him rate, and now they are into bargaining, and who is taking control? You are watching it with your own eyes. That's what I am trying to teach you here. That's what I am delivering here. So you need to understand why price action is important, why this thing needs your attention.